Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to delete an account on Telegram. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Telegram app, and then from here tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner of the screen. From here tap on settings right here, and then once you're here look for privacy and security, tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom, and this column right here is the one that you're looking for. Now you cannot delete the account immediately in the new updates. All you have to do is to choose a given period in which when you are inactive, the account deletes automatically. I choose a month. Now when you choose a month and you don't open the app for a month, you delete it, the account will be deleted completely with the chats and everything. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to also subscribe for the channel for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.